So I've been receiving the assignments. I've been receiving it, and you all have been, and the effort that the child and parents they have made, absolutely amazing. And I hope you already know about the Google Classroom as well. Uh, I'm not sure. Okay, so have you accepted the invitation, ma'am? Both of you?
Yes, yes,
Yes.
Okay. All right. Great, great. So instead of sending through skilled number, you can also send it to the Google Classroom straight away. Okay, so as you know that I have given the assignment there as well, and there is a due date as well. So before that, if you guys can, put it up the attachment, and then I'll just see from there only, and I'll grade the children from there only. Okay, so if that also makes you easier, you can do that as well. Okay. Okay. Good morning. Good morning, Vyansh. Hi. Good morning.
अभी करेंगे फिर.
Manvik, would you like to come join Mama? Yes, Manvik. I think he's looking at me and thinking this is not my teacher.
Ma'am.
Good morning. Hi,
No,
Vyansh.
don't. Manvik.
Good morning.
तो आराम से बोलो क्या
That's all right. That's all right. Children's mood. It's very unpredictable. Okay. So, Vyansh mother, are you ready with the scarf and bindi and nail paint?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. Okay. So, since we are waiting for all the rest of the students, so let's sing a song by then. Okay. So, mother can also teach the child. It is very simple. It's like this. I love mommy. I love mommy. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. She's very special. She's very special. I love you. I love you. Okay? Together, let's try together. Good morning, Shirin. Shirin is also here. Okay, let's go ahead and sing it one more time. Are you ready? Yes? I love mommy. I love mommy. Yes, I do. She is very special. She is very special. I love you. I love you. Okay, you learned that at home and then you sing for mommy. Okay? Good morning, Shirin. Hi, good morning.
Shirina.
Say good morning.
Hi. Okay, so Shirin's mom, I just want to tell you, I just want to instruct you if you are keeping with yourself a scarf, bindi, and a nail paint. Do you have it?
Sorry, ma'am. I couldn't get you.
I want you to be ready with a scarf, a bindi, and a nail paint.
Okay.
Okay, are you ready with all those stuff? Okay. Okay. So mother also can sing along with me this song. Okay, it's very simple. It's like I love mommy. I love mommy. Yes, I do. She's very special. She's very special, and I love you. Okay. All the mothers also sing along with your child. Okay, all together. 1, 2, 3, start. I love mommy. I love mommy. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. She is very special. She is very special. I love you. I love you. Very good. Well done. Let's do it with the guitar now, okay? Ma'am has brought her special guitar here. Let's do it with the guitar, okay? 1, 2, 3, start. 1, 2, 3, go. I love mommy. I love mommy. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. She's very special. She's very special. I love you. I love you. I love mommy. I love mommy. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. She's very special. She's very special. I love you. I love you. Very good. Everybody clap yourself. Clap for your mom. Clap for your mommy. Okay. So now I think let's start with the games now. Yeah, I think that's it. It's already 11:06 and I don't think anybody will join us. So let's start with the game. Okay, I want everybody to unmute yourself, unmute the video, and let's have one-on-one conversation with everyone.
अब मैम जो बोलेगी वो करके करना लो. अब ये सब सामान आपका है. ओके.
So as you know, parents, our child, our
सुनना दो
is small, so it might be very difficult for them. So
मैम इसको ले जालू अपने साथ. तो चुपचाप बैठो.
when they're helping her,
सुनने दो ना.
to play how to.
Sorry, ma'am, we couldn't hear you actually. Not able to hear you.
You cannot hear me? Am I not loud enough? Hello?
There's a little bit of disturbance.
Okay. So now can you hear me properly?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Okay. So,
Oh.
okay. Can you hear me properly now?
ठीक है बैठ जाओ.
Yes? If you can hear me, just give a thumbs up if you can hear me. Yes? Let's go ahead and play the game. All right? Okay. So all you need to do is cover your eyes with the scarf, and you give the bindi to your child, and the child need to make sure that he or she puts the bindi exactly on the place that it should be. Okay. So the child who will do it properly, that child will win. Okay. And even if he cannot do it, that is also fine. So just instruct your child before how to do it. Okay. Let them know how to do it. Let them know how to play the game. Okay. Are you ready, parents? Okay, let's try to do the demonstration. Okay, if even this is just the demonstration, this is not a proper game. Let them try once, and then we'll do a a fair game after this. Okay, let's just demonstrate it once. Okay, Shirin's mom, you can also put the blindfold. Put it on. Yes, put the blindfold, and then
Mama के बिंदी लगा. या बिंदी. मैम ने बोला ना इसको कवर करना है आई से. ओके.
मम्मा आई करेगी।
Oh, okay, okay. I need to.
चलो करो करो, बिंदी लगाओ मम्मा के निकाल के यहाँ पे हेड पे। ये लो लो बिंदी निकालो।
Okay, they got it. They got it.
लगाओ लगाओ, निकल गई।
Okay. Now what you have to do is that the child needs to put the blindfold. The child need to put the blindfold and they have to figure out your forehead. Okay? The child need to put the blindfold and they have to figure out your forehead. Okay?
हाँ
Siddharth's mother wants to say something.
वेरी गुड। Can you repeat it again?
Ma'am, now the child has to put the blindfold. Let the child put the blindfold. They have already figured out where your forehead is, right? Now let the child put the blindfold and they will put it on your forehead. Okay?
ओके यू गो। अब मैं आपकी आईज पे बांधूंगी, अब आपको मम्मा के फोरहेड पे लगानी है ये, ठीक है? ये लो बिंदी लो।
Manvik's mother, you can also put the blindfold on Manvik.
अब आपको मम्मा
And
के
then
लगानी है, ठीक है?
they will find out your forehead and put the bindi. Manvik doesn't want to do. That's okay.
चलो
Okay. Yatharth's mother, go ahead. Whoa! Yatharth's mother, can I see where is the bindi?
there is no bindi, bindi is in his hands।
Okay, okay.
चलो अब मम्मा को पूरी बटन का टच करो।
Kiran, put it on your mother.
ये वो
मम्मा को बिंदी लगानी
मम्मा
है।
के लगानी है, ये मम्मा के लगानी है।
मम्मा
निकालो फिर से, निकालो फिर से, निकालो जल्दी से।
Yes, very good. Shirin.
ये लो ये लो
Very good.
ये लो। अब निक लगाओ, मम्मा के लगाओ। अरे इसको बांध के लगाना है।
It's okay. Okay, wow. Very good. Okay, Manvik, you also put bindi on mama's forehead. Viansh.
Mama ki bindi lagayi. He is not ready to be blindfold.
That's all right. We can just put it just like that if he wants to. Okay?
He is
Okay.
already put. Yes.
Okay, good enough. Good enough.
मम्मा
That
के
is
एक
good
बिंदी
enough.
लगा दो अपने लगा लो।
Okay. Okay, let's clap for everyone. Very good job, everyone. Well done.
अभी जब लास्ट में देगी ना मैम,
Yes, as you can see,
ऐसा करेगा मैम।
you know, trying to make children do certain things is very
बोलने तो दो मैम के बोल।
so that's all right. They are sitting here at one place and listening to me. That is more than enough. Otherwise it's not it is not into children that they just sit at one place and listen. They have so much energy that they keep on running around, but they are sitting with you guys and then listening. That is very good. So okay, now I want to click a picture. I want to take a screenshot of you and your child. Okay, I want to take a picture of you holding your child. Okay, so make sure, very good, Shirin. So make sure that your child is with you properly. Okay, sitting, because I want to take a picture. Okay.
अच्छा one time. अच्छा one. एक बार please आ जाओ picture one please आ जाओ please अच्छा one अच्छा तो 2 minutes के लिए बस only for the 2 minutes अच्छा देखो ये देखो मैम
Okay, that's okay. I took like 15-16 frames, so 1 or 2 of them must be proper one. So, okay. All right. Now,
नहीं आप नहीं लो लेना.
now we'll sing some more songs again. Okay, with the children. Okay, let's sing more songs again. Okay, some more songs. Yes, I think that's what they want to do right now. Teach them the song. Teach them the song I Love Mommy. If they can perform tomorrow, that is very well and good. Okay. And also, if you have a card and bouquet ready, the children, the cards that the students, I mean your child has made, if it is ready, you can just show it to us. Show it to us, the
Yellow
card
mango.
or the bouquet.
Sit. मैम को दिखाओ. मैम को दिखाओ.
Card and the bouquet, if it is there. Wow, wow. Can I see it, Shirin's mom? Yes, very nice.
फोटो.
Wow. Show it. Yes. Beautiful. Okay, great. Okay, thank you. So, now let's sing the song I Love Mommy again, and then we will
अच्छा आप
do it in guitar this time again. Okay?
I love mommy.
Let's go. I love mommy. I love mommy. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. She is very special. She is very special. I love you. I love you. I love mommy. I love mommy. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. She is very special. She is very special. I love you. I love you. Very good. Well done. Well done. So now is the task for the mothers. Okay. Now is the task for the mothers. Let's start with Manvik's mother. Okay. Manvik's mother, do you know any tongue twister? Do you know any tongue twister?
मैम को खोल रही है.
Like there are few tongue twisters that we have, like Chandu ki chacha ne Chandu ki chachi ko, like those kind of sort of things.
कच्चा पापड़ पक्का पापड़.
Yes, you can say that. Do you know the whole thing? Okay, we'll give you some time to think. Okay, so we'll give you some time to think. Just think about any tongue twister. We'll go to Yatharth's mother if she knows any tongue twister. Yatharth's mother. Do you know any tongue twister? Okay, take some time to think. Shirin's mom, do you know any tongue
Yes.
twister? Okay, go ahead loudly.
She sells seashells on the seashore.
Nice. Very good. Well done. Okay, Vyansh's mother, do you know any tongue twister?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, go ahead, ma'am.
पके पेड़ पे पका पपीता, पका पेड़ क्या पका पपीता, पके पेड़ को पकड़े पिंकू, पिंकू पकड़े पका पपीता.
Wow, very good. Very good. That's a very tough one. Very good. Okay, Yatharth's mother, can you try?
चंदू के चाचा ने चंदू की चाची को चांदनी चौक में चांदी की चम्मच से चटनी चटाई.
Okay, little bit faster now. Go faster.
चंदू के चाचा ने चंदू की चाची को चांदनी चौक में चांदी की चम्मच से चटनी चटाई.
Very good. Well done. Okay, Manvik's mother.
खड़क सिंह के खड़क में
Very good. Well done. Well done. Okay.
बैठ के
Yuvraj's mother is also here. Hi, ma'am. Good morning. Good morning, Yuvraj. Hi.
युवराज
Good morning. So, Yuvraj's mother, happy Mother's Day.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. So, we were just playing tongue twister here. Do you know any tongue twister?
Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead.
वो मैम है अभी.
Do you know any tongue twister? Yuvraj's mother, you can say any tongue twister if you know.
Tongue twister like she saw 6 seashells near seashore. Sort of.
Yeah, do you know any proper one? Hindi one would also be fine.
Okay.
Hindi one would also be fine. Do you know any Hindi one?
हिंदी खड़क सिंह के खड़कने से खड़कती है खिड़कियां, खिड़कियों के खड़कने से खड़कते हैं खड़क सिंह.
Very good. Well done. Very good. Very good. Very good. Okay. So since you were a bit late, we are already done with the Bindi game. So let's just
Okay.
do yours only. Okay. Other parents can watch how you guys do. All you need to do is put a blindfold in Yuvraj's eyes. Okay. Put a blindfold on Yuvraj's eyes, and he will find the forehead and put the bindi on you. Go ahead.
अच्छा, he'll find my forehead and bindi on. Okay, fine with that. Okay, बेटू, अब मैं आपके eyes close करूंगी. आपको मम्मा के head पे बिंदी लगानी है. Fine. चलो, आजो. Eyes close करेंगे. Come. Yes, we'll close your eyes and उसके बाद बिंदी लगाएंगे. अरे आप अच्छा आइस उठो, पहले उठो, get up. Ma'am, he's unwilling to do it.
Can you put the bindi?
Yes,
without blindfold?
Not with the blindfold. बिंदी लगाओ मम्मा को.
Without blindfold.
हाँ, मम्मा को बिंदी लगानी है. काम बिंदी लगा लो.
बिंदी लगा दो
Okay.
युवराज.
मम्मा को बिंदी लगा दो. मैं निकालती हूँ, आपको हेल्प करती. लो ये वाला. ओके, लगाओ.
Very good. Well done. Okay. That's all right. Okay.
Done?
Okay.
कोई नहीं. It's okay.
Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
now we will move on to the good job. So now we will move on to the nail paint game. Okay. Nail paint game. So the child need to put nail paint on mother's finger. Okay, mother's fingernails. So
चलो बेटा, मम्मा को नेल पेंट लगाओ. कम नेल पेंट लगाओ.
so only one hand.
Come.
Just let them do only one hand. Okay. Just let them do only one hand.
खड़े हो जाओ.
Those who will do it quickly, that
Man,
person
nail
will be the winner. Okay.
इधर भी इस वाले पे भी लगाओ.
Yuvraj is already doing it. Very good. Wow.
Very good. और लगाओ.
Wow, Manvi. Good. Very good, Shirin. Very good.
इधर भी, इस पे भी.
Go ahead, Yatharth. Very good.
Very good. इस पे थंब पे भी लगा दो. Yes, ma'am. It's done.
Wow.
ये कोई बात नहीं.
Not the least. Yes. Very good. Wow. Very good. Very
Selfie
good.
with it. एक फोटो.
Very good. Wow. Very nicely decorated. Very good.
बंद कर दो.
अब से क्लोज करेंगे. लगाते हैं.
हाँ, अभी बाद में.
बस हो गया. खत्म.
Okay,
Put
Ismail is done. Okay, show your fingers like this. Everything. Here, mothers, show it like this. Yes, I want to see it. Very good. Ready? Okay, go. Viansh's mother, yes. Very good. Nice. Okay, thank you, mothers. Thank you so much. Wow. I did not expect this at all. You know, the child is participating so nicely because since they are the youngest one in the school, they are the very youngest one. So I was scared, you know, I thought that they will not participate. But they are participating very nicely and listening to you guys very nicely. That's good. Okay. So let's do the song one more time. I love mommy. Okay, one more time.
come here.
I love mommy.
काकू सॉन्ग
अच्छा इसको लेके आओ, उसको लेके आओ, आ जाओ।
Okay, tomorrow you sing with them.
अरे
okay?
गिटार मैम के
You
पास।
sing with them. 1, 2, 3, start. I love mommy. I love mommy. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. She is very special. She is very special. I love you. I love you. I love mommy. I love mommy. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. She is very special. She is very special. I love you. I love you. Very good. Everybody clap for yourself. Well done, mothers and child. Well done. Okay, since everybody is here again, grab that card and bouquet again. Yuvraj's mother, grab the card and bouquet.
खोलेंगे तो मैम
Take
की
a
फोटो
picture
खींचेंगे
again. Before you were not here, now you are
ये
here.
भी हो सकता है ये पकड़ो इसको पकड़ो इसको ऐसे दिखा फोटो खींचना फोटो नहीं है
Grab it again. It's okay, Viansh. It's okay.
जब मैं कार्ड देती हूँ, कार्ड गिफ्ट करेगी मम्मा। रुको।
Okay.
अभी आपको मम्मा को देना है, ओके? कार्ड दिखाओ मैम को, फिर फोटो खींचेंगी मैम।
Show me here. Very
मैम को
good.
दिखाओ, मैम को दिखाओ। लो मैं दिखाती हूँ।
देखो
Yes.
आप भी दिखाओ
Wait
हैंड लगाओ
properly. Yuvraj and Mama. Mama is not coming. Mama also come.
मैम आपको कुछ कह रही हैं?
Yuvraj, Mama, you also come in the frame. Yuvraj's Mama.
यस मैम।
Yes, yes. Okay, ready?
इधर
Very good.
Kakak look
Wow. Okay, good. Okay, thank you again. Thank you so much. Okay, so I really had a good time today. Hope you guys also had a good time. Thank you so much, mothers. Thank you so much, mothers, for participating. Thank you. And one more thing about the classroom, Google Classroom. If you have not found the invitation, just send your mail again to the skilled number, okay, so that I can invite you again, okay. And if you can just also put your homeworks there, you can attach your homeworks there instead of sending through skilled number. You can straight away send it through Google Classroom, and then I will check it there only, and I will grade it there only, okay. It can be much easier for you as well as for me, okay. So is there anything else, parents, that you want to ask? Anything else? I hope you had a good time, everyone.
very good
I'm so sorry, you know, the circumstances is that we have to do it through screen, but if we would have been school, it would have been much better, but that's okay. We have to do something or the other, you know, to stay connected. And also since there was this dress code, we were supposed to wear this Western thing. So I just want to guys have worn Western. If you can stand up and do some pose or anything, I want to take a picture of it as well. Just if you could stand and do a pose, a very fancy pose. all of you, please.
आजा टीवी आजा मम्मा की।
खड़ी होके मैम को दिखाएंगे, ठीक है?
Anything. Give us a spout, give us a spout, or you know, a fashionable one, anything. Yes.
Can we come?
Wow, very nice, very nice.
This is our pose.
That's okay.
उतरो।
Okay, everybody ready? It's okay. Even if the children is not there, that's all right. Okay. Everybody ready? Mother's ready? Okay. Go. Boom. Yatharth's mother can also stand if you like. You know, yes, yes. Go a little bit back. Go a little bit back. Yes. Give us a pose. Give us a pose. Give us a pose or anything. Yes. Wow. I love it. Wow. Thank you, mothers. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Oh, okay, okay. It's time. It's time.
Thank you.
No, 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 no. It's time. It's time. It's time.
Thank you. Thank you so much. We had a great time. Mehak ma'am, was it good?
Please,
Mehak
please.
ma'am, did you find it good?
Yes.
Mehak ma'am cannot share us. Okay.
चलो say bye.
So, okay, mothers, thank you so much for participating
You
again.
मैम को बाय बोलो जल्दी आओ.
And we would be taking classes twice in a week, Tuesday and Saturday. Okay. We would be taking classes
लोगों पहले बाय बोलो.
Wednesday. Make sure that the children is ready for the online classes. And
इधर से आके बोलो.
we will pass on the same to the children. Okay. So that you can teach the same thing to the children throughout the week. Okay. Thank you so much, everybody. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. See you soon. Bye-bye. Bye.
Say bye.
बेटा उस दिन कलर जैसा हो
Bye,
जाएगा.
Manvik. Bye-bye.
बाय बाय मैम कह रही है. बाय कह रही है मैम.
Bye, Raj. Bye, Vyansh. Bye, Shirai.
लो मैं वो ब्यूटीफुल वाला देती हूँ. लो मैं लगा. लो मेरे नेल्स पे लगाओ. लो.
Very good. Bye-bye.
Bye.